In this short tutorial, you will learn how to unhide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. Sometimes, you may hide apps on your iPhone for privacy or organizational purposes, and now you want to bring them back to the home screen. It's a simple process that you can do by following a few easy steps. To get started, let's first hide an app. For example, let's hide the TikTok app. And I will show you how to unhide it. Now the TikTok app is hidden. To unhide it, just swipe all the way to the right side until you see the app library on your iPhone. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you see a folder called Hidden. This folder contains all the hidden apps on your iPhone. Just tap on it. And it will use Face ID to confirm your identity and give you access to the folder. Now you can see all the hidden apps. To unhide an app, simply long press on the app icon, and then tap on this option. Add to home screen. Then tap Unhide App to confirm your decision. You have successfully unhidden the app on your iPhone running iOS 18. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.